First of all, I want to congratulate the graduates and even somebody who has completed their high school and post-secondary and secondary. Those who want to pursue their education overseas, there's a good news for you guys. There are so many universities in America and there are so many vocational schools where you can come to United States for doing your undergrad or graduate degrees or even PhDs. Because if anybody is watching from non-English speaking countries, if they want to come to do their English courses, they can come to US on a language training programs. So there are two types of visas available for them. One is called an M visa, which is called M for Mary, and second is called F visa, which is for academic programs. And M visa is given for non-academic programs. If somebody wants to pursue photography or media studies, or if somebody wants to do an accounting or some basic vocational courses, they do come for an M visa. And these schools, they also offer English and the course. If somebody wants to do an acting or a media studies or even hair braiding, if they want to come and learn that in US, they come on an M visa. If somebody wants to come on a pilot training, or there are many courses they can come even without not having English proficiency. And if you guys want to come to America, you can take up an English as a prerequisite and get into the course of graduating. So M visa is normally granted for 1 year to 2 years, and the course duration will be for 9 months, and they're not very expensive. If somebody wants to study an academic program, if they want to do a bachelor's or a master's, they can come to US. It is not that stringent requirement like before that the schools are asking for an IELTS or a TOEFL or a Duolingo. You can even come for taking the prerequisites for English and then get into the main school. You can also come for a master's in computer science or MBA or even data sciences. If somebody wants to come for even nursing, they can come to US. And somebody wants to study other professional courses like physiotherapy or any allied medical courses, they can come to US on a F1 visa. F1 visa is granted for 5 years, and after completing your graduate degree or an undergrad degree, you are entitled to get 2 to 3 years of work permit if you're doing a STEM program. A STEM program is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And somebody wants to come for even a doctorate, they can come because a lot of universities are also offering scholarship. And our firm has been assisting a lot of students, those who come from overseas, and after their education, we also assist getting them employment and doing their H-1B visas. And after getting an H-1B visas, you could be lucky of getting a green card. Our firm also assists students from all over the world for getting admission in the school, and we also assist clients in writing the statement of purpose, and we also assist clients in documentation as what sort of documents you need to have for applying to a school, and what sort of documents you need to have for preparing for the visa interview. And our firm also assists anybody from the world for getting an appointment. I know because there's a lot of backlog of appointments in the world because of the COVID. Most of the embassies all over the world have been closed and only few embassies are working, and because they have a lot of backlog, we can also assist clients in getting the appointments preponed, and we can also assist clients in preparing for their visa interviews. And the documents required basically for getting an admission in a school are, first of all, you should have a valid passport, and number 2, you should have a transcript from your school. Number 3, you need to have letter of recommendations from your professors. Number 4, you need to have financials. If anybody is sponsoring you, they need to give you an affidavit of support and their financials. And if somebody is having a job, you got to show that you have a employment verification letters. And why you are taking that area of interest, then you need to justify the consulate and to the schools so that you can get your I-20. I-20 is a document which is called Form I-20. It's part of the F1 regulation. If you go with this document with all your with your property documents or your financials, letter of recommendations, and your passport and transcripts, and your English proficiency, then you should be able to get your student visa, whether it is an F1 visa or it is an M1 visa. And our firm has been assisting clients from all over the world, and the good news is you can come by January, and they do issue a lot of visas in the month of December. And if you see the student visas granted in last 1 to 2 years, they have millions of people have been granted all over the world, because post-COVID businesses, the schools have been less stringent in giving admissions. So guys, good news for you guys is you can also get scholarships and even assistantships. Scholarship, there are different types of scholarships. If you guys are coming from Africa or any of these third world countries, like example, Fulbright scholarship, you can also Google, there are different types of scholarships available. Even your countries also, they give scholarship. And these days, the banks are also giving loans for getting educated overseas. And we can assist you with all those information. And once your visa is granted, once you come to United States, our firm also helps you in getting a OPT or a CPT. A CPT means a curriculum practical training, where you can take 1 or 2 subjects online, and you can also work for some employers. We also assist getting employment, and after graduating also, we also assist clients in getting OPT, which is called occupational training. And we have companies, we work with IT companies, non-IT companies. We can get you a work authorization, and after that we can also get you an H-1B visa. And guys, if you like this information, share it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. You can see our number on the bottom, and you can also call us. And we are located in Manhattan, New York, and we are open Monday to Saturday. And we're going to come up with more videos. The next video we will be talking about a J1 visa for hotel management guys. They can come and study, work and study. So we're going to come up with that. Be tuned with us. Thank you very much.